Take the risk and get your adrenaline siphoning riding these turns and drops. It may not keep going longer. However, exciting roller coaster rides tend to make the most consistently. Furthermore, as time passes and development in innovation that accompanies it, these rides have become more rush-chasing, strong in their circles and plunges, with some that hang riders topsy turvy or splash them with fog for an additional contort. We have a rundown of 5 exciting roller coasters that are the most alarming and the most amazing. But before that, we would like to request you to consider subscribing our channel, smash the bell icon and click on the all option so we can notify you with more amazing videos like this. So let's get started. Number 5. Kingda Ka. At 456 feet tall with a 418-foot drop from the main slope, the Kingda Ka at Six Flags Great Adventure in New Jersey is one of just 2 strata crazy rides. In addition to the fact that it is insanely tall, however, it has the longest introductory drop. It very well might be a short ride, yet the mix of the exceptional drops alongside the prompt turns makes this one look totally frightening.
0 to 128!
Number 4. Sky Scream. The Sky Scream coaster at Holiday Park in Germany is remembered for this rundown since I have never seen a ride do what this one does toward the beginning. A unique interpretation of the principle minute in addition to some truly odd mixes I haven't seen previously. Not the tallest and not the loopiest, this liner along with peculiarity. You have vertical turns going up, vertical turns going straight down, you have circles and 360-degree level bands. The outcome is a mind-blowing blend of various encounters stuffed into one ride.
Super.
Number 3.
Full Throttle, Six Flags Magic Mountain, Valencia, California.
This enormous 160-foot tall steel coaster is accepted to have the tallest vertical circles on the planet. It's additionally a speed devil, taking riders at velocities of 70 miles per hour through the circles. This extraordinary ride starts by taking you a full round of the circle, trailed by an outing through a dark passage. In the wake of halting for a couple of seconds, the train is jump-started in reverse out of the passage and afterward goes in part of the plunge circle. When it loses its energy, the train returns forward into the passage. This is trailed by another jump start out of the passage where the liner enters straight into a high G-go to one side and heads up the formal head of the circle, trailed by a lofty drop. Number 2. Yukon Striker, Canada's Wonderland. One of the world's quickest thrill rides and the longest plunge coaster, Yukon Striker has a 360-degree flip, 4 reversal, and a 75-meter drop. This lofty drop holds for 3 seconds, offering all-encompassing perspective at the recreation center, and afterward goes straight forwardly into an underground passage that is encircled by water. The no-floor seating makes for an energizing touch, making the drop more unnerving. And in our list, the number 1 is the Griffon USA. Envision rushing towards the earth in free fall with no floor to help your feet. That is the experience given by this ride. Situated in Busch Gardens, Virginia, USA, the Griffon isn't for the weak-willed. It furnishes its riders with a 90-degree free tumble from a stature of 205 feet over the ground. That is likened to tumbling from a 20-story building. Not just that, the liner likewise has the 6th most noteworthy vertical reversal on the planet at 146 feet. you enjoyed this edition of some exciting but alarming roller coasters. If you want to watch the next edition as part 2 of other 5 creepiest roller coasters, then leave a comment below, and if you want to appreciate us to do better, then give us a like and subscribe us. Thanks for watching.